So how do you find an airdropped file on the iPhone? Let me show you how it works, because if you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. But the point is that it depends heavily on the file type, because you might be sharing some photos, you might be sharing PDFs, and it just all behaves differently. For example, if you go to the gallery and share the photo over AirDrop to another phone, well, it will automatically be saved and it can be found in the Photos app. So the files that you airdropped will be part of the Photos app. However, it might also be in a different audio format, in different PDF format, right? So it heavily depends on the thing. For example, if I share the audio with myself in here, right, you'll be able to hear that or see that the airdrop will be like showing up. I'm going to click on accept and it will open it up through the Files app. So it will be part of the recents. So, this is where you can find it, right? So it just depends, right? It might be something else which might open up through a dedicated application. But the default way of accessing it is by going to the Files app and go to the Downloads folder. It is likely going to be there. You'll see the time when it was sent. So you can also sort it by the latest time. So if you click on the options and sort it by date, newest to oldest, it will make the latest files show up. So you'll be able to see that these files have showed up on the iPhone recently, and these are the ones which I shared over AirDrop. So as I said, it depends on the file type, but most likely it's going to be part of the Files app. You can expect to find it in the Downloads folder or perhaps in the others as well, but just try to sort it by the date and you'll be able to see the most recent photos there or, files. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to find the files you shared over AirDrop. Most definitely subscribe for more, and I'll see you later in the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one. So thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon.